Hello, thank you for joining this video. Here we'll explore the ticket section for your Shopify store. So first of all, let me show you some examples using our game theme demo stores. So we have this first one here. So as you can see, we have this like notification ticker where we see the information displayed on the store. And also in this demo store, we have more than one ticker. Let me just scroll up a little bit and there will be the second one. So here, as you can see, we also have this ticker here. And here is the second example. We have this ticker where the collections of 30 years are linked. So you can also add as many tickers in your store as you'd prefer. And you can also fully customize the content that is displayed here. So now let's go to our theme customizer to recreate this ticker section. So once we go to the customizer, we need to choose the page where we'd like the ticker to be located. And keep in mind that you can actually add it to any page. You can add it to your product, to your collection page, to your blogs. Feel free to choose any page and add your ticket there. But for our example, let's stay here on the home page. So we need to scroll down here to the add section. And here we need to find our ticker and add this section here. Next, we click on the section itself, and the first thing that we can do, as you can see, here's our ticker, is to modify the text. So if you want the text to be separated by these bullets, you need to use enter to split text into sentences. So we have this text in the ticker here. We need to click on enter and add another text in here. So you can use a ticker for different purposes. Here you can advertise your socials, for example, your Instagram, your Pinterest, your YouTube. You can also inform your clients about your sales or upcoming sales, for example, about new collection drops, about some certain products like bestsellers that you'd like to share with them. So for example, we can add this text here to best seller, for example. And then we can choose this text here, click on insert link, and in here you can actually use like external and internal links. But as you can see, for the external links, HTTP is required. So you need to add the full link here if it's an external link. If you want to add an internal, so for example, we've named this text bestseller and we want to add, for example, our product. Let's click on products here and choose the product we'd like to add. We can also choose to open this link in the new window, for example. Now let's click on insert, and now our bestseller is linkable. So for example, the next, which says text in the ticker, we can rename to new collection. We can also choose this text and link it with any of our collections. So just click here, go to collections, and choose any collection that you want. So we add this text here, and also we can, as we mentioned before, inform the clients about our sales. So we can enter, for example, summer sales, and here this information will be displayed. We can also advertise our socials, so we can enter follow us on Instagram, and let me just get the Instagram link very quickly, just a second. And now let's link this follow us on Instagram with the Instagram link. So as you can see, the HTTP is required, so this is why we add it here, and we can also choose to open it in the new window. Now we click on insert, and now let's see our ticker. As you can see, we see this follow on Instagram here. So next we can customize the movement speed. So right now on the desktop it's 20 seconds. We can reduce the speed to 6. We can increase the speed to 6 seconds, as you can see, or we can make it quite slow and the speed will be almost 1 minute. So as you can see, you can fully customize it, and keep in mind that when your clients hover on the sticker, it will stop so that they get enough time to click on the section that they're interested in. So next we can also customize the movement speed for mobile. And next, what we have in here are the colors. So keep in mind that you can fully customize the colors of your ticker. You can choose the background. Here you just need to enter the color code. You can easily search it in Google, for example. Just enter like cream color code. Here is this, we have this code here. Let's just add it in here. And as you can see, the color has changed. So you can easily add any color that you want from here. And when we change the color of background, keep in mind that you'll probably need to modify the color of the text so that it's visible on this background. And the last thing here that we have are the layouts. So we see these offsets settings. As you can see, we don't have much space between this section here. So if we want to add some spacing, we can, of course, increase the desktop offset in the top and also in the bottom. So as you can see, we added the space here, and now these sections have some space between them. We can also add the same spacing for the mobile versions of your store. So when you do all of these changes, don't forget to, of course, click on save. And also keep in mind that you can hide or remove this section whenever you want to. If you don't want to fully delete all the content you've added before, you can simply hide it by clicking here. And as you can see, there is no section here anymore. Or you can click back here, and now we see this section again. You can also toggle it, just click here and move it wherever you'd prefer. For example, let's put it here. We can also add more tickers, so we want several of them to be displayed. We once again click on add section, choose our ticker. Of course, we also need to add some information in here as well, and we'll have to, or you can add even more tickers throughout your store. So now let's save our changes and let's preview our store with this new section ticker. So here I'm on the store. We just need to scroll down here. We just need to scroll till we find our ticker. So here is our ticker. As you can see, we have this bestseller. When we click, we see this product here. And next, when we see new collection, when we click here, we also get to our collection that was added to the ticker. And when we have the follow us on Instagram, we can also click to go to the Instagram page here. So as you can see, once again, when we hover, the ticker speed stops. And when we remove the hover, then the ticker continues to autoplay. And this is it. So these are all of the instructions on how to set up the ticker for your Shopify store. Feel free to contact our team if you have any questions. We're always here to help. And don't forget about our theme manual, where you can also find all of this useful information regarding this section. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day. Bye.